Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito cocktail with Sprite. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need fresh mint leaves, about 10 to 12 per glass, and 1/2 of a lime, cut into wedges. Don't forget your favorite white rum, approximately 2 ounces per drink, and of course, plenty of ice and a chilled can or bottle of Sprite. These few items are all you need for a refreshing beverage. Now, let's get to the heart of the mojito. Place your fresh mint leaves and lime wedges into a sturdy highball glass. If you prefer a sweeter drink, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar at this stage. Using a muddler, gently press and twist the ingredients together. The goal is to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, not to shred them. Next, it's time to add the spirit of our cocktail. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your chosen white rum directly over the muddled mint and lime. Then, fill your glass generously with fresh ice cubes, right up to the brim. Finally, slowly top off your drink with chilled Sprite, filling the glass completely. Give it a gentle stir, just enough to mix everything without losing the fizz. To complete your perfect mojito, add a beautiful fresh mint sprig as a garnish. You can also place an extra lime wedge on the rim of the glass for an elegant touch. Serve your refreshing mojito immediately and savor its crisp, bubbly, and invigorating flavors. This easy-to-follow guide helps you create one delightful cocktail, perfect for any occasion. Enjoy your homemade Sprite mojito.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.